Hi, how are you? In this video, I am going to show you about a real world example of hoop using bank management system. You want to see real hoop in Python? Here is a full banking system in under 60 seconds. We start with an abstract base class account using ABC. It enforces rules but can't be used directly. If we talk about balance is a private encapsulated only methods can touch it. Then we talk about show saving account and current account, inheritance, saving account and current account, each with their own values. Point to overridden withdrawing savings, polymorphism in action. Saving blocks withdrawals below 500 but current doesn't. Then we can the bank class composes multiple accounts managing them all. We are using composition here. Now we run the program in terminal. Now we open the account for a deposit 1000. We can use and we can deposit 1000. As you can see, account created successfully for Ali. Now try to withdraw. And we can choose any amount to withdraw. We can use 600 and as you can new balance 400. And also if I check with Ali, and you can see Ali balance 400. It's working with you. If you need the complete code and want to understand the OOP with real world example, just comment down and I will share you the link where you can get the source code with documentation also. Thank you very much.